at this castle. Emily, are you gonna come down? Hi! Hi! Ready? Uno, dos, that's a big one. Tres! Good job, Emily. Good job. Okay. Okay.
Again, I want you to sit on one of these. Look. Can you sit down?
Hi, Miss
Can you sit down?
Hi. Hi, Nick. How are you?
Good.
Oh my God, I haven't seen you forever.
Yeah, I'm waiting to go to the restroom.
Look at Amy.
Hi.
Hi, cutie pie. Oh, she's getting some hair.
I know, at last.
Emily's just had her 4th haircut.
You did? Aw, look at you.
She had a little, say hi.
There's a slide.
She had a little clip on her hair which already fell off.
The ball.
Look at Amy. Amy and Emily together again. Emily, be careful.
The ball.
Good job. Uh-oh.
Careful, Montana.
Slide. Slide.
Wait for the bathroom. You been here before? No, first time. Yeah, I've been to the one in East Lake.
Okay, go again if you want to go again. That's fine by me. There's a pirate ship, and a fire station, and a market, and a library, and an art studio. Uh-oh. Are you okay? Okay, you really like that one, huh? You want to go on the big slide, Emily? Is it her or you?
Me.
Oh no.
Coffee, water, and a long drive. Not good.
Yeah, I actually caught traffic.
You did?
Yeah. No, on the 5. Or the 52 to the 5. Oh, it was awful. I was like morning rush hour traffic.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi.
Say hi.
Oh, what a good girl.
Car.
You want Mama push you? Do you want Mama push you?